We always try to suggest natural treatments to take care of your health, skin, and hair. And thinking of that, we decided to do today's video. Have you ever thought about using clay on your hair? I bet not. Clay is a natural ingredient with many nutrients, such as the byproducts of aluminum silicates and colloidal ferric hydroxides. With many colors and benefits, clay became a very popular item for skin treatments. But did you know that you can also use it to bring more life and shine to your hair? Clay helps restore the keratin that is lost to environmental aggression, eliminates the excess of oil and dead cells, and reduces the dryness. And if that's not enough, it also strengthens the scalp and removes impurities that clog the hair follicles. And did you know that mixing clay and coconut oil revitalizes damaged hair? Are you enjoying this video so far? Then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helps our channel a lot. Coconut oil also offers numerous benefits to your hair and can be found in many cosmetics today. Because of its antifungal and antibacterial properties, it strengthens the hairs and fights dandruff and psoriasis, besides many other issues. Besides that, coconut oil also stimulates a healthy growth, repairs split ends, fights dryness, and restores the shine. All of that while moisturizing and nurturing your hair. Have you ever tried this mixture? See how to make it at home. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons, 1 ounce of white clay, 2 tablespoons, 1.35 ounce of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon, 0.7 ounce of jojoba oil. Optional. Directions: in a deep bowl, add the white clay and the coconut oil, mixing well to blend everything. Once it is smooth, it's ready to be used. Dampen and separate your hair into sections. Apply the mask from your roots down to the ends. Let it act for 20 minutes. After that, rinse with plenty of cold water. And lastly, dry and brush as usual. If your hair is seriously damaged, you can apply this mixture at least 2 times a week to see a difference in the softness of your hair. Do it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.